Hello everybody, welcome back to Lizzie Lou Lovecraft. Today I am going to try getting back into my crochet projects. I had a couple of weeks delay due to my little dog having an accident, and now that he's recovered over the last 2 weeks I can get back to doing things. Start off with a quick crochet bat applique which I was putting together for the little fun crocheting Halloween box trinkets idea. I'm starting with a 2.5mm crochet hook and red so you can see it, whichever colour, black, purple, green, any other Halloween colour. So for the applique we start off with our slip knot and 20 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now with our 20 chains we want to start off the third crochet from the hook, chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. We'll be starting in that with a double crochet. So double crochet. Let's move it to here. So you have your double crochet. We're then going to do a picot. So 1, 2, 3 chains. And as I do mine, from into the back knobbly bit, so into the back, and then slip stitch, then a chain, then we're going to slip stitch into the original stitch hole, so slip stitch, and that makes the end wing spike. We then continue for 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and now we're making the second wing spike. So we chain, we DC into the next chain, we then picot, so 1, 2, 3 chains, and then into the back bump with a slip stitch. This time we don't chain, we just slip stitch right into the original space, and it will slightly curve it inwards. That is the second wing. Now 3 more single crochets into the next 3 chains, 2, 3. This will be the middle back spike. So we chain, we DC into the next chain, we then picot, 2, 3 chains into the back, slip stitch, we then do 2 chains, 1, 2, and slip stitch into the original stitch space. That makes the straighter middle one. Make sure you don't get tangled up here because it can start to get fiddly. We then do another 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Just make some room here. This will be the 4th. So for this one, double crochet into the next stitch. Picot. So 3 chain into the back, knob, slip stitch, and we are going to 2 chain and slip stitch into the original space. That just slightly curves that one inward, so let's just unroll those a bit. So you'll have one going in, this one going down, and this one coming in slightly. We will then do 3 more single crochets, 2, 3. We are now working on the 5th spike. So we chain, we double crochet, we picot to the back piece. We then do 2 chains, 1, 2, and then slip stitch into the last chain. Now we'll continue around, so we chain and then single crochet into the same stitch, the same end chain. So we do 2. We want to make a sort of curve. Now we'll continue working down this side. Now to continue down this side, we will work on the next space and then the reverse of the chain. We'll do 3 single crochets in the backs. So there's 3. We will then do a 2 together. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook, pull up another loop. So you have 3, and then we yarn over and pull up, give it a little tighten. Now we continue 3 more. One, 2, 3. And now we will work on the reverse of the head, so we're in the 3rd back piece. So we chain 1, we DC into the next reverse of the original chain, to the back of the chain. So DC, we then do a picot, so 1, 2, 3 into the back, and then we do another picot straight away. So 1, 2, 3 into the back. So we have like 2 knobbly pieces. We then do 3 chains, 2, 3. Now you want to slip stitch into the next. It's almost the same spot, but not quite. So we slip stitch there, which just seals the head. Now, a bit fiddly, which is the fun bit. Now we do 2 more, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Now in the next we will do a 2 together, so insert, pull up, in the next space insert, pull up, and then yarn over, and oh no, let's not lose that, do that again, 1, see, a bit fiddly, so 3 on the hook, yarn over and pull through with a small tug. Then we finish with 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and in the very last piece, the last end piece, we just insert our hook and do a slip stitch. And there, you just have to do a bit of wiggling just to get the shape to take, because it can be a bit, you might want, no, low key, he says I'll sit on it. And there you have your bat applique. You might want to get some pins. You can probably, I would recommend just a bit of a PVC glue mix and just pin it down just to get the shape accurate. Make a row of these maybe, you can just see the little cute head. Yeah, no, it's very simple. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed our brief tutorial, and remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and happy hooking!